To turn on or off app drawer on the Realme C71, first of all you'll have to go for the settings. From here you'd like to go for the wallpaper and style, and from here you have to go for the home screen, and as you are there you will have to go for this home screen mode, and as you are here you can see that there are two modes, the standard mode and the drawer mode. So this drawer mode is basically the app drawer, and as you are having this one selected, the app drawer is currently enabled. So if you want to disable app drawer, you'll have to go with the standard mode. As you select this one, press apply button, and here press switch, and this will now apply all of these changes, and now like there is no app drawer and all of these applications are on the home screen. And if you want to turn on this app drawer back again, or actually just turn it on, first of all you'll have to go for the settings, so we need to find them right here, and from here again go for the wallpaper and style, home screen, and here go for the home screen mode, and you'd like to tap this drawer mode and press apply button and switch, and this will switch all of these things right here. And now as you can see we have just a couple of different applications right here that I currently use, and in this app drawer you can find the rest of these apps. So yeah, that's basically how you can do this.